SkyWarn weather with Chief Meteorologist Garry Frank.
And looking outside this morning, it was a little bit different of a morning over the last couple of days, especially just before 5 o'clock. Tacna, Dateland saw some light showers. This is what we were tracking for you last night, but as we mentioned, it was just going to be confined to the eastern portions of our viewing area, just very light. Didn't amount to much more than a trace and really pushed off just after about 10 o'clock. Left us with sunny skies in the afternoon. Here's where it went. Phoenix, Tucson, saw some light rain showers, even a few thunderstorms embedded as well. But you can see this whole general trend of the storm system moving away, and it's going to continue. Our relative humidity values are up just a little bit over the last hour than what they were just a little bit ago, especially when I got in this afternoon, just about 2 o'clock. We saw a lot drier air than we're seeing right now. We're at 55 on our dew points, 50 in Blythe. So we're getting a little bit of moisture pushed in, but that's not a trend that's going to continue over the next several hours. We're going to continue to dry out. 74 is what we saw this morning in Imperial, 77 in Mexicali, 83 in Yuma, 84 in Blythe and Quartzsite. And what we're going to see for the right now, 102, Yuma, El Centro, Imperial, 99 already in Mexicali. But our winds are also the main focus this evening. We're up to 21 miles per hour in El Centro, 13 in Yuma, and just outside, this is what we saw just a few minutes ago, enough to blow around the trees. A pretty good amount, just a light breeze. And we're going to see continued gusts also. In fact, the last gust at Blythe, check this one out, 35 miles per hour, 24 in El Centro. Now we'll see these figures start to come down, but this is all a sign of the pressure gradient that's changing as we see some of these air masses really start to move out. There it is, starting to dry out. That's evident with our cloud cover, and we're going to see clear skies starting to become dominant this evening. Upper 90s, drier, milder. It's going to be very nice outside, especially with that breeze. Now, as we progress towards tomorrow, we'll start out cooler as well. In fact, both areas starting out in the 70s. We're talking upper 70s overnight, peaking up to the low 80s as we look at 7 a.m., 82. 5 to 10 mile an hour winds, 10 to 15 in the afternoon, but clear skies. That's the main thing that rules the world tomorrow. Sunshine, 78 up to 105. Light and variable winds will trend upward towards 10 to 15 throughout the west. But here on the water vapor map to give you a good idea of what's going on for the next several days. Low pressure picking up moisture from the south and really generally towards the Gulf of Mexico. That's pushing away. Dry air plus this low pressure keeping high pressure from building in, which means our temperatures won't be above 110 for the time being. Precision Cast shows that as we roll through Wednesday, dry air continues to filter in, and that means no clouds as well. But heat check right now, how many days per year are we supposed to see 110? 26 is what we're supposed to see. So far, only 13. And as we go throughout the next 7 days, you'll see that we get there, but we enjoy a few days of comfortable, mild air for this time of the year, especially 70 up to 103. We're at 110 on Tuesday and Yuma as well. Monday, Tuesday, 110, but Jennifer looks to enjoy mild air. In fact, 5 days in a row of 70-degree temperatures to start our day.